Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu states that he gave his wife one divorce during her periods. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded him to resume conjugal affairs with her and keep her with him until the monthly periods terminate. When she gets clean after menses, give her respite until she gets clean after another menstrual period. And when she gets clean after the second menstrual period, and he after all wishes to divorce her, he should divorce her in this clean period of her after menses, provided he has not practiced coitus with his wife in this period. And this is the period during which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has commanded to give women divorce. Ibn Rum has added in his narration, whenever Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu would be asked about it, he would say, if you have divorced your wife once or twice, you can reconcile, for Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded me to do so. But if you divorce your wife thrice, she has become prohibited for you unless she marries another man, and you, by giving 3 divorces at a time, have disobeyed Allah Jalla Jalaluhu by opposing the way directed by Him Jalla Jalaluhu to give a divorce. Imam Muslim says that Lays has nicely mentioned the word one divorce in his narration. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3638.